Hi guys, it's Calvin from Raw Coding, and today I'll be covering the print function in Python. The print function is an inbuilt function in Python that we use to output information when we run our program. On the most basic level, we can use the print function to output a string like hello world. We say print, open bracket, followed by our string within quotation marks. I'm going to run our program and show you what it does. This just prints the string hello world without the quotation marks around it. As we use quotation marks to define the starting point and end point of our string, we may have a situation where we need to use quotation marks within our sentence. Over here, I've created a sentence saying, he said, followed by what the person said, which is, I really like pancakes. Obviously, we need to put this in quotation marks, but the problem with this is that Python recognizes the second quotation mark as an end to the string, and then it gets all messed up and wreaks havoc with our program. To overcome this, we need to use an escape character. This will ignore the next character, in this case the quotation mark. So if we just say backslash and then backslash again, now when we run our program, the output of our program will say, he said, open quotation mark, I really like pancakes, close quotation mark. We can use the print function to output both a string and a number. We use a comma to separate both. When we run our program, the output will be high five. We can also use the print function to output both a string and a variable. Over here, I've created a variable called user, which asks our user for their name. We then use the print function to output a string saying nice to meet you, followed by whatever our user said. To join two strings together, we just have to use the plus sign. Let's run our program. I'm going to type in my name, and now it will say nice to meet you, Calvin. Our next example is a list with 4 separate values, A, B, C, and D. We can print our list by placing the variable name of that list within a print function. Remember that whenever we want to print a variable, we don't use quotation marks. I'm going to run our program. The output of our program will be the values of our list formatted as a list with the square brackets and the quotation marks at the start and end of each character. If we want to remove the formatting of our list and just output the individual values, we can use the join function. This will only output the individual values of our list. So this was our original list, and what the join function does is takes the values of our list, separates them with a space, and outputs them individually without all the formatting of our list. So this concludes my introduction to the print function in Python. I hope it was helpful, and if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.